Click on the link below to get price. The wall-mounted galvanized steel outdoor storage shed in green is a practical solution for those in need of a durable and spacious garden tool storage option. Measuring 46.5x150.4x70.1 inches, this shed provides ample space for all your gardening tools, outdoor equipment, and accessories, while keeping everything organized and easily accessible. One of the standout features of this storage shed is its construction. Made from high-quality galvanized steel, it promises longevity and resistance to rust, making it ideal for outdoor use. The green finish is not only aesthetically pleasing but also blends well with the natural surroundings of your garden, enhancing rather than detracting from your outdoor space. Installation is straightforward, especially since the shed is designed to be wall-mounted. It does require a sturdy wall to ensure stability, but the included instructions are clear and easy to follow. Once mounted, the shed feels robust and secure, providing peace of mind that your tools are safe from theft and adverse weather conditions. The interior space is well designed, featuring shelves that can be adjusted according to your storage needs. This flexibility allows you to customize the space, accommodating larger tools or smaller gardening supplies with ease. Additionally, the double sliding doors offer convenient access, enabling you to quickly grab what you need without hassle. One minor downside is that the shed does not come with a built-in lock, so if security is a primary concern, you may need to invest in an additional lock to safeguard your belongings. However, considering the overall quality and functionality, this is a minor trade-off. In conclusion, the wall-mounted galvanized steel outdoor storage shed is an excellent investment for those looking to declutter their outdoor spaces. Its robust construction, ample storage capacity, and attractive design make it a valuable addition to any garden. Whether you're a dedicated gardener or just need a place for your tools, this shed is sure to meet your needs effectively.